Today I will show you how to paint a fluffy chip. Draw a body by using soft short fur brush and then set the layer to alpha lock. And then make the shadow by using darker color. Okay, and paint it on the same layer. Okay, next create a new layer, then make a chip head. Then putting a shadow on the head. After that, making chip hair. And use soft short fur brush and duplicate and merge the hair layer to make it look thick. And then putting shadow on the hair. And next, I will make ears. And then put the shadow on the ear. Make just one ear first, then duplicate another. Okay, and then I will make eyes for the chip. And then I will make nose. Okay, and then grouping all the layers, then minimize the size of the chip. And then make the chip legs. Again, I will put shadow on the legs. Okay, then I will put darker background, only half. And then I will add food on the chip's mouth. Okay, and then it's done.